teapot short and stout. Here's my handle, hangs hand on hip. Here's my spout, stick your other arm out straight. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me over and pour me out. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, and one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Polly, put the kettle on, Polly, put the kettle on, Polly, put the kettle on, we'll all have tea. Suki, take it off again, Suki, take it off again, Suki, take it off again, they've all gone away. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, oh, I wonder what you are. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My fair lady, build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady. Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. Build it up with silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. Build it up with silver and gold, my fair lady. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned him out, but still he lingered near and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. What makes the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry, why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Papa's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing, Papa's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turn brass, Papa's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Papa's gonna buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat don't pull, Papa's gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turn over, Papa's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Papa's gonna buy you an horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, well, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town. Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with a spoon. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill, and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up, and when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill, and he marched them down again. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Wincy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. And when they were up and they were up, and when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. There were 10 in a bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Roll over, roll over. There were 9 in a bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Roll over, roll over. There were 4 in a bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Roll over, roll over. There were 2 in a bed, and the little one said, good night.